We're standing in the House of Cider, which is a new business enterprise for us, which has been open for the last year and a half. And we've been here in this particular location for the last 100 years. We're farmers and cider makers, which is very much a traditional way of producing things in the countryside.
So we decided to develop Sheppy's House of Cider to really flagship the brand. Sheppy's make amazing cider and they have been doing so for 200 years, but there was really nowhere that there was a flagship store that we could promote our products. We wanted to enhance the experience of our customers and give them more to go with their cider. And the lighting was very important to us because we've got a shop which we wanted to make sure that all the products were prominent on the shelves. And we've also got a restaurant and a bar, so we needed that to have a little bit more ambience, and then we wanted the bar to be very, very dark and seductive because that used to be our old Apple Bay.
When Sheppy's approached us, they knew what the feel of the place should be, and they knew certain retail aspects that were important for the lighting, but they didn't know how to achieve that. And that's where our expertise and years of retail lighting experience came into play.
So it was really important that we chose the lighting that fits each section and that we used it to pick out particular things. So in some places we're using that to pick out products for selling, in some places it's just to create the right atmosphere for the customer.
What was great was that Illuma came to site, they brought all their lights with them, and they then mocked up tracks to show me how they would light the different areas of space that I had to deal with.
They were looking for a softer lighting effect, keeping the rural farm shop feel to the deli area, the butchery, the cider shop, also at the same time delivering high quality lighting to ensure that the products are displayed in the best possible way.
So I was very lucky with Illuma because they worked very closely with me to make sure that any light that I wanted to fit on their track, we could adapt to do that. So we were provided with small little track adapters, which my electricians then wired up to the lights so I could have exactly the look that I wanted.
We've tried to build in a lot of flexibility and versatility so that for all the different types of purposes we'll use the buildings, we've got just what we want.
We didn't want the functional lighting to be obtrusive and take centre stage, so many of the functional lights are hidden from view as much as possible. There's a mixture of wide area floods and tight beam spotlights in order to create the contrasts that we're talking about between sales items and general area.
We get a lot of compliments about our lighting, and we've also had a lot of people ask where we got our lighting from, which to us is really important because we feel that we put in a premium product.
The place that we have in the market is a very high quality cider, and this needed to match that. And having done it, I think that it's good for the brand to have this here. I think it really supports the brand.
At Illuma, we're very proud to work in association with Sheppy's 200 years of British cider making heritage, where our 38 years as a British lighting manufacturer made us the ideal partner to deliver the House of Cider as you see it today.
Illuma were a really good company to work with. I feel I had really, really good service. It was important to me that they were there for me 100% and that their product had longevity, and I think I've had that and I'm really, really pleased. I'd recommend them to anyone.